Welcome to 1969 Teardrop restoration. I purchased this camper a couple years ago, and today we have a wonderful time to fix this thing and bring to the beauty. 1969 aluminum, 8 feet long, I will say 5 feet wide. Aluminum trailer, aluminum body. So as you can see, this is the beauty. It's 51 years old, and we're gonna try to make this working. So we have wires, we have some body parts which are twisted and not shiny anymore. This is the interior. As you can see, there is double door. I already did some painting. I strengthened the floor. I put the epoxy paint on the floor. We have a wiring right here for the lights. Those lights will be changed. This is regular 12 volts regular bulb. This is the fan, which is actually working. You pop out, pop in. Pretty good, great paint on it. Everything is solid. Wiring, which will be exchanged. So this was the old kitchen. Now it's primed. All those lights was attached to the bumper, which there was no bumper. It's gonna be bumper later. This will become the kitchen. It's already primed, and we tried putting everything together like was. I'm taking right now this apart. So all this molding right here was kind of not holding pretty good, so I'm gonna trim it, and as you can see over here, it's a solid 3/4 of an inch plywood, primed, and we will see what's gonna happen. So this is my beauty, and yeah, see you next week.